Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix reels not showing in Instagram reels. So icon not showing problem. So for that we need to go to Instagram, and here we need to click on, first of all you need to come back, you need to go to Play Store, and if your Instagram not in update means please update it. So I was updated. So come back to your Instagram account and go to Instagram, and here we need to go to profile and click on your three horizontal lines, go to settings and privacy, and just scroll it down. Here we will see the help center. Click on that. Here you need to click on report a problem, report, and include and continue. Here you need to type the reels not showing in my Instagram account, reels not showing in my Instagram Instagram account. Instagram account. If you send a report means within 24 hours it will be rectified, and you found your Instagram reels on Instagram. Thank you.